Good agent, State Farm is there. Hey there, welcome back, guys. In this video, we've got you covered, and you'll be covered after watching this. Whether it's State Farm, Geico,
You're in good hands with Allstate.
you want to insure your drone. And now that there's no more care refresh, you're pretty much shit out of luck if you crash this thing or drop it. That was a close one right there. So basically, without any further ado, this is what you can do. Call your insurance company. The only issue I've had or complications I'm running into is having the receipts. You need to have the receipts in order for the underwriter, as I call the undertaker, will process the policy. So they'll process your application, and then a week later they might get back to you saying, hey, the underwriter can't finish everything. He needs the receipt or the credit card statement proving that you purchased it. It's hard to say. What if it was a gift? So if that's the case, find another company that will honor the items that you want to have insured. But if you look here, other eligibility not listed, coverage limit $5,000, which is a lot. This is expensive equipment right here. But as you can see, the annual premium, which means what it will cost for 1 year, 365 days, $63. That's it. And plus the $1 tax, or whatever it's called, New Jersey Property Liability Insurance surcharge. I don't know who surcharge is, but they're charging $1 for that. And then monthly policy premium service charge not included, $5. So, it comes out to, $533. So we're looking at almost $70 for processing everything and all. If you break it and crash it, you're covered. Probably a similar system to what DJI had set up in-house, but no more care refresh. I mean, until then, you want to fly more confidently, not not reckless too, but but now we've got you covered. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Who are you going to use for your coverage when you insure your drone or other things you might be liable for? I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.